Here's how you can use filters when you go live on Facebook using your phone. Just follow these simple steps and you'll be adding fun effects in no time. First, make sure you have the Facebook app installed on your phone. Open it up and log into your account if you haven't already done so. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version, though some filters may only appear on certain versions. Next, tap on What's on Your Mind, just like you're going to make a normal post, and then select the live video option. If it's your first time going live, Facebook might ask you to give permission to use your camera and microphone. Make sure you allow both. Otherwise, the live stream and filters won't work properly. Once you're on the live preview screen, look for an option called Filters. Tap that and you'll see a list of effects and filters that you can apply to your video. You can experiment with different looks, from subtle color changes to fun augmented reality effects. Pick whichever one fits your style or the vibe of your broadcast. If you don't see the filters option, it could be because you're using a newer version of the app where some effects are limited. In that case, you could try uninstalling the app and downloading an older version. Some older versions still support FX style filters. If you do this, make sure you get the APK from a safe and trusted source to avoid any security risks. Once you've picked your favorite filter, all that's left to do is hit go live. You'll now be broadcasting with your chosen filter applied in real time. Remember, filters are a fun way to make your Facebook Live sessions more engaging and interactive, so don't be afraid to try different ones in future broadcasts.